Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and going straight to the Preferences or Settings app. On Mac, click Safari Preferences. On iPhone, go to Settings and tap Safari. Once done, review open tabs and bookmarks so you don't delete anything important. Make sure iCloud syncing is on or off depending on whether you want history deleted across devices. This first step prepares Safari so the following cleanup affects only what you intend and avoids accidental loss. You now remove stored data. On a Mac, open Privacy in Safari Preferences, click Manage Website Data, then Remove or Remove All to delete caches, cookies, and local storage. On iPhone, tap Clear History and Website Data in Safari Settings and confirm. Once done, signed-in sessions will end and some website settings may reset, so make sure you have passwords saved in Keychain or another manager. This step clears most traces and speeds up Safari by freeing space. To finish, target any stubborn site-specific data by searching in Manage Website Data and removing that entry. Once done, quit and restart Safari, and make sure to restart your device if issues persist. If pages still behave oddly, disable extensions one by one to isolate the culprit. As a last resort, reset network settings on iPhone or reinstall Safari components on Mac via System Recovery. These steps restore default behavior while preserving essential files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.